What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome back to yet another video on Marlin or Pond. Pond is the name of the token of the Marlin blockchain, which I wanted to cover today. Again, I mean, Marlin has been, as you can see, it's on my watch list. It has been on my watch list for quite some time. It's a low market cap coin. I think it has some potential. Volume has increased quite a bit to 1/3 of the market cap almost. And it's relatively bullish. So I just wanted to take a look at it again, but I do have some big news around Marlin that isn't that positive. So yeah, let's talk about that news first before we dive into the price. I have some things to say about the price too, but let's talk about that first. As I said, Marlin is a project that I have on my watch list. I think it's a very interesting project. I think it has a lot of potential for the upcoming years. It's a relatively new project too, as you can see, released at the end of 2020. So yeah, I think definitely there's some potential to get a big move. The thing is though, what I found out yesterday is part of your research of crypto should always be to look at their GitHub, right? So if you go to source code, this is basically the code behind Marlin, all right? Not one-on-one, but it's the main code behind Marlin, and here you can also see how much it's being updated. And what you can see is that some things are actually being updated, but it's only 3 things, all right? And if you compare that, for example, if you compare that with all the other ones, it's all like the 5th of July, 24th June, 6th of June, 3rd of June, 22nd of March. And obviously, some things probably are just finished and you don't have to update them anymore. But if you take a look at the activity, it's relatively flat. All right, so I don't really like that. Maybe there's some sort of a reasoning behind that, but I don't know. Apart from that, their Twitter, which is also something bad, is also not very active. The 27th of August was their last post. Before that, the 17th of August. Before that, July the 20th. So that's not great. So I might have to remove it from my watch list because I don't like projects that are not active in both their developing and their social medias. I mean, it's social media is insignificant, but it's still a great like signal of the team and their activity. Taking a look at the price though, that's a little bit independent of what I think about the project long term. Looking at the price, you can see that we just broke above this resistance level at 1.1 cents. So we are probably going up to 1.2, 1.17 up here. And then what I expect is a consolidation between 1.18 cents and like 1.1 cents. This consolidation. So basically like this, all right? We're dropping down, taking a break retest, getting up there, and then consolidating. And then somewhere within the next week, I expect a break out of 1.18, and that we would get up to 1.27, 1.28 cents. But from there, I do think we'll drop back down again. So no long-term gains. It's just we have been kind of consolidating a lot with Pond, and I think that's going to continue. So even though it's pretty bullish today, I don't think that's going to translate in any big rallies or bullish moves in the future. So that's my take on Pond for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today and bye.